In this video, we will show you how to set up and adjust your NImbo Posterior Walker. To unfold the NImbo, pull the hand grips and cross brace into the opposite directions. Continue to unfold until the push pins click into place. To install the legs, match the leg numbers with the corresponding frame numbers. Depress the push pins on the leg and slide into the frame. When locked into position, the push pins will click through the frame. Adjust the height of the walker by pressing the push pins on each leg and slide the leg into the desired position. You can lock the wheels by pressing down on this pin. You can unlock the wheels by pulling upwards. Check your walker every so often to make sure all the screws are tightened. If you need to clean it, do so with some mild soap, warm water, and a wash rag. You can shop the NImbo Posterior Walker at eSpecialneeds.com. If you liked this video, leave us a like and subscribe to our channel.